Okay, question number 9. It's one of these functional questions. It's looking at how you explain it. So Kylie wants to invest £20,000 for 3 years, and she has two choices. She either gets a higher interest rate, but she gets a check every year for the 3.02 interest. But the money doesn't go back into her bank account. She just gets a check which she can cash or pay into a normal bank account, or she can get £20,000 to 2.98% compound interest, which means the bank automatically pay it into the on top of the £20,000, and the next year the interest earns on that. So this one is what we call simple interest. This one here is a compound interest. So which one should she look at? Well, let's look at each one in turn. If we look at investment A, we take the £20,000 and we times it by 0.03, that would be 3%. So the 3.02 we times by 0.0302 to work out how much interest she earns in 1 year. 20,000 times 0.0302 means she's going to earn £604, and she gets 3 checks. She's going to get a check because she's investing with 3 years, she's going to get a check of that. So she gets 3 times £604, which is £1,812 interest. Okay, so that's how much she gets. Or the total, she gets the £20,000 plus that, so she's going to get £21,812 overall. However, if she invests with investment B, the calculation she's got to do is the £20,000 times 1.02, that would be 2%, 98, that's the 2.9%, to the power of 3. So you can work it out each year, add it on, work it out next year, or you can just do this simple calculation. You could work out how much she gets in the first year, then put that money and work out the 2.98% on that, add the money on, then work out what the 2.9% is. Okay? Or you can just do this calculation in one go. So the calculation for compound interest is the investment multiplied by the interest rate, or the interest rate added on to 1. So the interest rate is 2.9% plus 1, all to the power of how many years it gets invested for. So all I've got to do is I've got to do £20,000 times 1.0298 to the power of 3, and you'll find out that she gets 21,000. Let's put the pound sign in. £21,841, 8116718. Now that doesn't make any sense. So she gets overall £21,841.81, because I just have to check with her around. So which of the investments should she choose? Well, clearly she gets £21,000 for that, £21,812, or £21,841. So she earns slightly more. She should choose investment B. Okay, because she makes a little bit more money.